Nature's so neat. It's always wanting us to exercise, whether we're hiking outside or even if we want to work our little biceps. Like this pull-up bar here. That's pretty neat. Wow, look at this. These are little baby toddler cherries. I bet you can't tie a knot with the stem. Oh, these are gross. That's not very neat.
Sometimes when in the woods, you can find some raspberries. The best part about that is you can use it as war paint.
Sometimes people don't want to go out in nature because they're scared and they think they won't be able to walk through the wild. Little do they know it's pretty easy.
Nature's good at healing the wounds on the outside, but people often forget it's good at healing the wounds on the inside too.
Hey Maddie, look at this tree. It's pretty neat, huh?
It's crazy.
You know what my dad told me is never to pick off the bark off the trees because it's kind of like human skin. That's kind of weird. Okay, smell it. It smells like vanilla.
Oh, gee, that's pretty neat, Matt.
Oh, nature.
I love nature.
Oftentimes when you're out in nature, it wants to come home with you when you're ready to go. But nature needs to learn its boundaries.